I don't know. You can start.
Shall I go then? Yeah. Good morning, everyone. And good. Well, just a second. Like this happens to me when I'm about to speak in front of everyone. Something is happening inside me, and yeah, whatever. Good morning, everyone. I'm on to the. Okay. Can Nikita Didi go first? Ma'am, may Nikita Didi go first? Like.
Okay. A very good afternoon, good morning to everyone. So today we are present here to conduct our GD, a group discussion. So our topic is that is it okay? Means we have to go present our views on the topic. Politicians should, celebrities should join the politics or not. So from my team, Purnima will start. So now I lead to Purnima.
Okay, so Nikita, can you just let me know whether your team is
Okay, so there are many members. So I just want to introduce them. First, Purnima, Twinkle, Akansha, Amina, Dev, Komal, Himani, Roshni. So these are my team.
I am also there.
Okay, no one
Forgot me.
Sorry.
ना ज्यादा जॉली हो ना इसलिए आपको भूल जाते हैं.
Sorry.
Okay. Thank you so much. And Nikita, I just wanted to know that your team is in favor of the topic or against the topic?
My team is against the topic.
Okay. Yes, Harshita.
Hi everyone, my name is Harshita, and today we will be presenting you a debate against the motion should celebrities be allowed to join the politics. My group has several members. My group consists of Arshi, Bhavya, me, Himani, Mannat, Neha, Tamil. So yeah.
Okay. Yes. So who's gonna start from which team?
Ma'am, me from Nikita's team.
I'll be sending Arshi.
Okay.
So yeah, ma'am. So may I start now?
Please.
Yeah. So wealth without work, pleasure without consent, knowledge without character, commerce without morality, and science without humanity, worship without sacrifice, and politics without principle are totally incomplete. A very good morning to everybody. Purnima this side. Today I am speaking against the motion that celebrities should not join the politics. So according to my opinions, here are some my points which I have been concluded to speak upon that why should they not join politics. So first and foremost point is, according to my point of view, they are a bit greedy kind. For example, as we have even seen in social medias and also in the news, like celebrities sometimes refuse to do some movies. Sometimes they thought that it should not, they might not suited to their character, or either they also think that the money which is being offered for the film is not being sacrificing their want. So that's the first point which I want to say, that they should not supposed to join politics just because they are a bit greedy. Second point is profit motive. All the celebrities look for their profit motive. Being a part in the politics, if you want to be a politician, you should not be think of your own self. You should be first. Your first priority should be public. Means you should be thinking of what public needs and what public wants are there. You should be fulfilling those wants, and you should not be selfish for your own self. So according to me, whatever I have seen since in the Bollywood, not in Bollywood, but all the sectors of this industry, I have seen that they are bit look for their profit motive. And third point is public impact. As we all have seen that even the smaller to the elder one, we all watch movies, cricket and everything. So there are means even we have seen in earlier days also when there was Shaktiman. That impact on the children were very bad. They started doing suicide just in thinking that Shaktiman will help them. So in the same case, the impact in a public of any movies, any actors, any celebrity is very much. So sometimes it's not always good, as I've said before. Also, point have suicide. Sometimes it's bad impact too. So joining the politics, having bad impact on people, will not be able to help party and even will not be lead the party in any level. And fourth point is democracy and system. As we all know that India has the largest democracy and diversity in the nation. So for joining the politics, you should have enough experience so as to fight against any opposition party. Experience of many years, and plus you should have a proper knowledge of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Parliament, everything. Joining politics in just one day will not let you win the party, and it's not good for the party to join. I guess you should have enough experience as to deal with the public, as to deal with the problems. And last but not the least point is I just want to say that celebrities are just used by the parties because they're good social media influencers. Thank you. That's it.
Okay. From the next team, who would like to come?
Ma'am, I will. Okay, good morning, everyone. I am Arshi, and I agree with Purnima, but what is politics? Politics is all about connecting and identifying with the needs of common populace, associating with their challenges, addressing their difficulties, and instilling hope is all that counts. Anyone who takes this philosophy into account can be in politics. Actors are no different than anyone else. So if they want to join politics, it's the same as a lawyer or businessman woman joining politics. You can have any career and still have a passion for politics. People are free for any career people are free to take any career as long as it's legal. If an actor has a lot of reasonable knowledge about politics and it is a genuine interest of theirs, then they can. Just because you are an actor should not stop you from running as a president or being involved in politics, as long as they don't use it for their own fame. Celebrities are followed by more people. If they become the minister, more of them will follow the rules that is issued by that person. Most of the celebrities are unconditionally involved in social welfare. They can be a part of politics and contribute in key issues like poverty, girl education, child marriage, etc. So according to me, they should have a right to join politics as they are also a citizen of India. Thank you.
Okay, so yes, Arshi, I'm totally agree with your point. But what I'm trying to say, as you have spoke, that it is not means that if they are just a celebrity that they should not join the politics. But as we all know, they have been told in a many sectors, like in many ways they have been told. And plus, second thing which I want to say that we all know that India is in a diverse country, but not only diversity also brings the problem. And as you say that knowing rules and also, well, I want to tell you the example. As we all know that I'm not pointing any celebrity, but it's just that there's lots many celebrities who have joined the politics but are not totally attentive. For example, like it's not only about Govinda, but he has joined politics but not attending any parliament meeting too. So joining politics, it's not an issue, but you should take care of each and every rules and regulations, every meeting, and you should see all the public welfare. You should meet them all once. It's not just that you're a celebrity, you join politics, that's it. It's not the end. You should meet the problem of public. You should solve them problem. If you're in politics, you should be properly attentive there, which they are not.
Excuse me, ma'am. I wanted to ask you something. Like, for example, like Purnima said something from the book. So, like, I feel that a floor for interjection must be open for all, so that people from our group who want to interject properly and want to highlight some of our points, that are somewhat not correct according to us. So we can, just raise our hands physically or virtually. So you can just give us chance to interject some points of that person, and then some person of our team that has been already selected can go ahead to serve their point, their actual point that they're going for. Is it fine?
A better option, just raise your hand. Yeah, digital hand.
Yeah, ma'am, I want to interject Purnima actually. May I?
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. She told me like while she was speaking, she talked about greediness, profit motivation. Well, bro, like everyone, like every other politician, like why do you think they're into politics? For name, for fame, for money. That's what they want, right? Like there might be some politicians all over the world, like about 0.2%, 0.2%, who are there for doing the actual welfare. But deep down, all of us know that they're there for fame, name, and profit. And then she said about the public impact the celebrities can have. Since like it's really common. If celebrities won't have a proper public impact, why would they be introduced in the politics? They have a proper public impact, and that is why they're into the politics, isn't it? So if a party is to promote something, endorse something, so that is the main reason it brings celebrities into it. You can see Hema Malini was there, ठीक है, Gautam Gambhir is there. What are they doing? They're doing it for the promotion. They're going for the rallies so that more public can be attracted towards them and come and you know understand the party agenda and everything.
Well, I'm totally agree with your point, Harshita, but in the same hand, with the parallel, and you just want to say that, as you said that about the profit motive, that politicians do also uh, get into the politics just for the fame, respect, and also the money, as you said. But if you think in the same hand, they have one more duty to do, that is to do something as they want, they don't want, but they have to do for the public, as they are being a politician, they have to. But in the same hand, if you think about the celebrities, they are the other sector. One joining this sector as it's not always the motive behind as just to join the politics and do something for public, but the motive is also as to see sometimes just to do advertise for their movie or sometimes just to give the same fame. So the politician also have one point that they have to do something for the public as being the politician. That is their, you can say, that is their duty to do. But the celebrities joining from other sector to this sector, there is something called area of expertise. That is, they have their own sector, that is celebrity for the acting and all, for entertaining else. Sorry, did somebody say?
Yeah, this
Means mic was mute. Unmute. Yeah, okay, no worries. Okay, Purnima, I got your point. Understood. Yes, Bhavya, you belong to the same team or the opposite team?
ma'am, Bhavya can interject like further.
I'm from the opposite team, mom.
Okay, please continue.
I highly disagree with the greedy point because,
Yeah.
like yesterday itself, I was scrolling through the Instagram stories. There is a celebrity everybody knows, Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande, right? They have made a sale of like $3.5 million just for as a charity. They're celebrities, they did not do for the greediness. Okay. And as well as the Mirabai Chanu, the like a weightlifter who won the medal in the Olympics, she was given a position in the police in a police station or organization, and that's not because she is unable to represent or does not know her what she wants to do. She has very well made herself proven in the Olympics that she is worth of that. And a picture of that also got viral when she was sitting on the floor and eating in her kitchen. And that only says that, I mean, she did not go there for greediness. And if she now is in this police, she will work for their welfare. She will work for the welfare of the people around her, because she knows how much of the pressure or how much of problems she faced, and she would not want any other to do the same. So yeah, thank you.
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah.
Ma'am, what Bhavya is, I really not accepted, because we can't take one example for the whole society, for the whole group of people. As one actor or one celebrity is not greedy, we can't tag that whole group of actors, celebrities are not joining the politics because of their greediness or to acquire social power. There are many examples where most of the famous celebrities with their public image, as what the Arshita said, that it is good that having a big public image, they are easily they are required to be in a politics. But isn't it destroying the very sense of democracy, where equality, or where the party members who toils very work hard for years and isn't get and even get a municipality ticket, whereas some about famous dumb social personalities came and get a ticket and eventually became an MP. Should
I
Because of
mean,
which I think we should discuss, is equality is there in the democracy, or democracy is just revolving around social famous or rich people.
you cannot say only politics. Matlab, in celebrities happen to get the tickets. In Congress system, if you've noticed, every there there has not been some candidate who deserved it. Okay, it was the political succession of their family going on. So within the politics it's happening the same. So how can you point out that the celebrity, if celebrity do that, that's wrong, and that's when on the highest pedestal they're more powerful than anyways celebrities.
I want to conflict it. If in Congress, if there are so many people like that, so we do not have to add on these number by adding more celebrities. They are good in their field, but they are coming to politics and increasing that unexperienced people number. So it is not good, and I want to put more people who have just come to politics and not doing anything, like Rekha. Her attendance is 5%, and number of debates she attended was 0, and number of questions she asked was 0. Sachin Tendulkar, number of debates he attended was 0, and he has only attendance of 8%, and number of questions he asked was 0. They are some of the most
And the
legendary
number of
actors.
questions he asked was, ma'am, the numbers of question he asked was 22. I can see you the data, like I can show you the data if you want. The number of questions he asked till now is 22. The data has been given wrong.
Okay, can we move ahead with the next point?
But they are some members who are very proficient in their meadow, but their role in politics is almost negligible. They are used by big parties to win more election seats, as celebrities have great influence on ordinary people. And in return, what celebrities do is nothing. They also, the salary that they get are from our tax that we pay to the government, and they are not doing any welfare for the society, and they're just collecting the income. So I want to just say that celebrities can take part in politics only if they have good knowledge about politics. That's it.
Or ma'am, I want to add more in what Komal said. Celebrities are allowed to join the politics, but if we are judging celebrities as not being a celebrity, they are being judged as an ordinary people, because it's just because if this choice of giving vote a celebrity or a ordinary political people, it sounds to be biasness, because we already have an public image of a celebrity, due to which the celebrity will eventually being an MP or eventually win the election.
Ma'am, I want to add some point. Like Bhavya said, celebrities can take part in the job. Like Sachin Tendulkar get a job in Air Force, and Dhoni get a job in Army, and KL Rahul get assistant manager job in RBI. But what they are doing nothing. Uh, they are just taking the income. You can see that MS Dhoni don't go to the don't go to go to army to do something. They are just taking the money and don't encourage the people. Don't do anything to the public. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
They have been given the position so they can practice their profession. Their profession is what? Playing cricket, and as well as that, representing India as a country. So even though they are not in military, they are doing something for the nation, and that's standing up for them, representing the country in the in the whole world. So yeah.
Okay, here I would like to ask you, Bhavya, why Indian Army needs Dhoni to represent itself?
Mom, can you repeat the question?
Why would Indian Army need Dhoni to represent itself?
Ma'am, because they need a source of income other than the career cricket profession, and that's what I've read in the articles. That in case of
Question. That's
yes, ma'am.
that you are talking in terms of Dhoni's perspective.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking that, okay, you said that Indian Army needs Dhoni to represent itself in front of the world. Why
Yes,
would
ma'am. In a cricket, so as a profession, he is just getting an opportunity to be there in the army, as well as I have seen that there have been some internal documents that have been made for like Dhoni was in there working with it. I mean that does not get glorified because of the confidentiality of the army organization. And then you cannot just say he does not do anything, because there are some really confidential things going on in the organization itself. So they do not need to glorify the fact that Dhoni has done this.
Okay, fine. Yes, who would come next from Harshita's team? I mean,
Ma'am, yeah,
I don't know. I want non-speakers who have not spoken yet.
yeah, I'm giving the chance to them. Ma'am, like to conflict the point of Roshni, Himani will be going about, about the actual examples. And ma'am, I just wanted to say that let's not, refrain ourselves to India and, extend ourselves to the world level. So yeah, Himani will be.
Yes, Rani.
So actors seem to make good politicians. While you may not always agree with their politics, you can't deny that actors have had some good success in the world of politics. Ronald Reagan is just a name you can offer. So he was an American politician who served as 40th president of United States from 1981 to 1989. Soon after taking office as president, Reagan began implementing sweeping new politician and economic initiatives. So Ben Lewis Jones, also an American politician, Jones served for 4 years in United States House of President from January 3, 1989 to January 3, 1993. So you can take also another name, Joffer from Love Board, ran for Congress himself, winning the seat as representatives of Iowa 6th and later 5th district holding officer from 1987 to 1995. Ellen Stuart Franken, born May 21, 1951, is an American politician who served as United States Minister from 2009 to 2018. During selection campaigns, Republican attempted to turn his off job against Wood. The Democrats quit home by 312 votes after an 8-month legal battle. So these are the name of just people who are both celebrities as well as politicians too. So they take a good role and they take they are both good celebrities as well as politicians too. That's it.
Okay. From another team.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yeah.
I have always hated celebrities correcting people on politics. First, we have to understand that what is politics. Politics is the way that people living in a group make decisions. Politics is about the agreements between people so that they can live together in groups such as tribes, cities, or the countries. Now, we can speak on the topic that actors should not join the politics because many actors are not politically educated and well as other political leaders, and there would be a bias there. For popular actors with a fan group, they will get the voted for because they are someone's favorite actor or they are really good one. Some actors don't have a political background, so they are not fit for the political position. They could be really untrustworthy, and because of their famous and have a little political knowledge, they could be manipulated to the people also. If actors join the field and are widely inexperienced and have no idea what they are talking about, then they will spread misinformation to the public. And since they are the actors and someone's popular actor, many people will just take the information without knowing what he is saying, true or false. Then the real politicians know that what they are talking about and not be listened to and all. But majority of the actors should join the politics with their fame and also won the politics seats with their fame because they only want to earn more money. As we can take the example of the Govinda or the Hema Malini, they also join the politics, but there is less chances that they have marked their attendance in the parliament, and they have not raised any political issue in the favor of the nation also. And we can take the example of the Shatrughan Sinha also he that uh, he also joined the politics, and he also doing his career, making the career in industry, entertainment industry, but it is not possible because both the things not possible because politics is not a part-time job center call that everyone will come here and uh, do the part-time job like he's doing. Thank you.
Yes, from another team. Yes, Harshita.
Ma'am, he says that they are not politically educated. I like, I guess in India especially, most of the actual politicians are not politically educated. Do you really think that they are? I, I guess we don't even properly know the education background of our prime minister, whether is he BA pass or ninth pass. Like we don't know it. Like you can't just convey this point. Manipulation of public. Like, bro, there is to be the manipulation of public by the party. That is why they're bringing celebrities because they know that the people can be easily affected and easily influenced by the celebrities. And the next thing is that uh, let's not name shame. Let's not shame the whole community just because of few people. There are a lot of celebrities who have been doing a lot more to the world extent and have brought about really societal and public changes in the world. So yeah. Also people are in this point I would also interject Komal because she said sorry it's Komal. So like if parties tend to bring their if parties tend to bring celebrities into the government or try to do that, then it's their internal matters. And I guess people are intelligent and sensible enough to sense that I guess it's all about people. If people knows, it's about educating people whether what is right and what is wrong. So they need to choose the actual political leaders at the top whom they know that can do further for the welfare of the society. So yeah.
May I?
Yes, Akanksha, you are from the same team or the opposite team?
I'm opposite team.
Okay, continue.
So, Harshita, as you just said, that a lot of politicians are also not educated. But why do we need to add to that list? With ever-changing world and modernizing India, we need leaders who lead us to a better future. We are going against all the stereotypes, all the taboos, just to become something new, something just to cope up with the Western world. We are educating ourselves to become someone, something. We are becoming better than we were at in our past. So why do we need to add those numbers? Add to those numbers. Next, I would like to state my points now. That everyone has an area of expertise. With this, a very famous dialogue of film Three Idiots comes to my mind. If remember when Rancho said if Lata Mangeshkar's father had asked her to become a fast bowler, and if Sachin Tendulkar's father had asked him to become a singer, imagine where would they be right now. So what I'm trying to say here is that everyone has an area of expertise, everyone has a field of interest, and everyone is born with a talent. Either they are born with it or they have polished their skills through rigorous training. And same goes with the celebrities. Either they are extraordinarily amazing with their talent, or I mean, they become famous and they become popular and loved in their respective fields, either because of their talent or sometimes because of a publicity stunt. So, but whatever it takes years of hard work and contribution to build a name in any industry. And when these celebrities join politics, they stake their years of contribution to the industry, and they eventually they end up doing nothing there, because they might be heroes in their respective fields, but they have zero experience in to become a politician. For example, the legend himself, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, contested for Allahabad seat for the 8th Lok Sabha election, won the election by one of the highest victory margins in general election history, by 68.2% of the vote, but ended up resigning after 3 years. Because why? Because he couldn't take the responsibility. So what happens is that a lot of these celebrities end up winning the elections, still they are not able to justify their role as the leader, because they are not equipped to do so, they are not trained to do so. And taking a responsibility of an area, even a small area, is a very huge thing. It's not just, you can resign whenever you want to. It's a proper responsibility. Next point is that I believe that local leaders are far much better than celebrities. Why? Because these local leaders, they know what the public is going through. They know what the public needs. And they don't just know what they need. They also understand it, because most of the time they have experienced it on their own. A lot of time what happens is that maybe there's there's a shortage of water supply, or there's water logging, or there's a problem with garbage disposal. So these local leaders know, because they might have experienced all these problems themselves, because they're living in the same area. But what happens when the celebrities, they might get to know about the problems, but they do not experience it. So they can't be, and moreover, a lot of the time they do not even visit their constituencies. And what I'm trying to say here is that these party workers and these local leaders give so much hard work, indulge in so much hard work for the election campaigns and the rallies, and end up getting nothing, end up getting no ticket in their entire lifespan. And these celebrities, with just one meeting, get the ticket in whatever constituency they desire. And I think it's a mockery of the system. I think it's not fair for these passionate politicians who want to do something for the nation. Not just, I mean, they end up getting nothing by the day. And I think it's not it's not what they deserve. Yeah, that's my point. Thank you.
Thank you, Akanksha. Harshita, from your team, only 4 members have come ahead till now. Harshita, Arshi, Bhavya, and Himani. Rest of the members. Who are the rest of the members from Harshita's team? Come on. I told you to take turns. That is the most important thing you do in your life.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Yes. Ma'am, I am against.
You are in Nikita's team?
She's for. No, she's for.
Okay. Okay, Mandeep, you are from Harshita's team, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Celebrities in sports sector are also given the political and government jobs, but ma'am,
It's okay, you can continue. Please take your time.
Celebrities are in the sports sectors are also given the political and government jobs to promote them. And if the celebrity is an actor, then she should also be allowed to have a valid chance to present them and their ideas. And
Yes, Mandeep, you are going good. Be confident. Come on. Don't get nervous. Have you done with your point or you want to say something else? Mandeep, are you done? Mandeep, you want to continue
yes,
or you are done?
yes,
Yeah. Yeah. Done? Okay. Yes. Yes, from the another team. Who would like to contradict?
Yes, sir, may I?
Yeah, sure, Sneha. You are from Nikita's team?
No, ma'am, Harshita's team.
Okay, continue.
I'm in the favor of celebrities should be allowed to join political parties about the fact that celebrities have been successful in their field and have the rights their ethics require being successful in politics. Celebrities can do a lot of welfare and they have the power to pursue the majority of work in the favor of development of the country, and they have a huge fan following which makes easier them to operate. Celebrities attract a mass following which makes it easier for them to influence the people to move in a right their opinion. Celebrities often desire to see developments in their neighborhood. They commonly seek advancement in the areas they grew up and the area they reside in. Their desire for a better society in what drives them to politics, which makes good agendas. These celebrities should be given a chance to enter in a politics. On the other hand, critics argue that these celebrities are usually wealthy and cannot do the non-welfare feeling associated with the struggle middle class. But these critics should understand that celebrities have the will to change the society, and that is the reason why they seek an avenue to address the societal need. But at the end, I want to say that the celebrities can do a lot of welfare because they attract a mass of following and they have the potential to change the society opinion. That's it. Thank you.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Purnima, go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am. So I just want to say that first of all, I just have something to say about those points. Like Harshita said that they are not educated enough as we compare. So I just want to say that they are not educated. That's fine, but they are having the experiences. So experience matter more than knowing something. So if they are not having knowledge, that's okay. But they have experience to run the country. And second thing which I want to say is that as Sneha is saying that they have a will to change and to do something for society, but
in the same hand, if you have seen that many of the celebrities, it can be of any sector, when they join politics, but when it's come to their career, when someone started trolling to their career, or when this joining any parties or joining some these parties, when it start affecting their careers, just quit on, right? So when it's not like that you join the party now for your profit, or for just for something, you join party, and then now when it's come to your career, you just quit from the party. That's not the proper rule. If you have joined the party, then you have to work for the public. So that's all I just want to say.
What about Amina? Yes,
Yes,
Amina.
ma'am. I don't think celebrities have it when it comes to politics. They do not know what they are doing because it is for the people of India. They should think like regular citizens before entering into politics. They have their own favorites and have huge biases. They should think a little and do a lot of research about the people of India and how to help them, not themselves. Celebrities really often are not that much bright and qualified to do much more than acting. Using their popularity at the polls is an unfair advantage that ultimately does a disservice to the voters. Whether it is Govinda or any other actor for the matter, no one's attendance has been up to the mark in parliament. No one has really raised a particular issue which has worked in the favor of the nation. If you were to analyze the achievements of the actors present in politics, it has been close to negligible. They are already so engrossed in their lives that it has been seen over the year that they don't has the political mind frame to perform the politics. Before rendering our support into, one should think about background reason for their enter into the polit. I'm not against to celebrity who join politics. I'm just against those movie stars who join politics to win election by which their popularity, but by using their popularity, but doesn't give any time to their constituency and neither works seriously for public.
Okay. Thank you so much, Amina. I guess Amina is in Nikita's team, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm still waiting for contribution from Tamil Selvan.
Ma'am, may I?
Almas.
I like to contract the counter for Akansha that she said that experiences matter. That is those celebrities who usually have zero experience. I like to say that in every field, if you take every person will be starting as a fresher. So you must have they must have gone through a lot of tests and hardship before they getting experience. So every celebrities must be given some what we say. Every celebrity must be given chance to prove themselves their worth. Okay, so as a fresher only they can start. They will be also have guide, and they can even and their intention and perception towards the society is good. They can even do well. And then actually responsibilities varies from person to person. As she said, Amitabh Bachchan, who's one of the top dog in the cinematic industry, experience had experience for did this work for only 3 years. But when compared, I mean, other person, if you take many persons, there are a lot of persons who usually have done a lot, and notable celebrities who have done who turned into politicians, and they've done a lot of, and so MGR, NT Ramarao, who those are his actors who became a CM for 2 times. Consistently, they have become a CM for 2 times, and then Arnold Schwarzenegger, who's a governor of the who is a governor of California, have become twice. Have become twice. They have become twice, and there are still there are many celebrities in India. If you take, there are around 139 successful celebrities who joined in politics, but still some there who's not yet successful because of the work. And then I like to convey one more thing. Anyone who deserves to serve the nation as well as the people and can able to provide the solid governance quality can become a successful leader or politician. That's it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I would like to add something what Kamil said. Akanksha Didi had said that local leaders have the proper knowledge of what people of the problems that people are going through, but they and the celebrities don't know the problems, and they even don't tend to move to the consequences and understand the problems of people. But see, there are a lot of celebrities who have come from a background like where they were not born as star kids, where the conditions were very poor. Not, like for example, this man. Can you just see this man? He's Stedman Graham, and he is going to soon join politics. He is a Black American and has lived in really worsened conditions in his he lives in America. He has lived in very worse conditions in Whitesboro, and he's soon going to join politics. He have been doing a lot for public welfare. He has he was an athlete as well as a basketball player in NBA. So and yeah, so it's not it's not we can say it's not just the local leaders who have the proper knowledge. It can be many. And please let's not talk about actors only. There are a lot of let's broaden this term celebrity. It consists of sports person. It consists of people who have got Nobel Prize. Even in India, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. Even those people can be counted as celebrities. So it's if they want. And also one more thing, you said that they just the celebrities just lead all the struggle of the local leaders into vain. That's not true. If if a person is capable enough and has it shows completely, the party will put him to the and if the party is not putting it to the top position, it's party's unfairness or biasness. It's party's bigotry. You can't actually blame celebrities for it. And also I feel that when we say that a celebrity should not be allowed to join politics, then I feel it's completely undemocratic. Completely, it's democracy. You just can't, you can't take someone's fundamental rights from somewhere. All of us have the right to join politics. All of us have the right to participate. That is what democracy says, yeah? For the people, by the people, to the people, yeah. So you can't just take on the basic right of a person. And there are many celebrities who are keen to work for the welfare. There are a lot of celebrities in UK, in European countries, in American countries. There are a lot of people in American countries who have been keen to work for public welfare. Yeah, I rest my case.
Okay, thank you, Arshita. Almas belongs to which team? Arshita, Almas is in your team?
No.
Okay, so Almas, I guess, is in the opposite team. Okay, so
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, one more point.
Yep.
If you take any, I'm not against the no, celebrities should not join politics. If you take any politician or celebrities, if their intention towards the society as well as perception towards society to be is good, means they have to. What can I say? I think. Ma'am, give me a few minutes.
Their intention is good and they should be allowed, right? That is what you're trying to say.
Ma'am, that is they every person at certain point only they can able to do. Even for the nation, they have to they can have the they have only certain ability can do to the nation. Beyond that, it's their effort and hard work it determines for the welfare and growth of the nation. Even though it is a politician as well as a celebrity, it is concerned.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I would also like to conclude one point.
Yeah.
Like bring it to notice. Like Purnima said that actors do not know about anything about the politics, but nepotism is a word that just generated because of the actors and the politics that goes in their system. So it'd be unfair to say that they know like literally nothing about it and they become the politicians, because within their own or matlab, you say company or people is around, a lot of things keep on happening. And the main nepotism case is the Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Now it's just so, the case is dead right now, and a year back everybody was so worried I mean, how did he die, and they were doing everything for it. So nepotism is there in that industry as well. So it'd be totally unfair to say कि मतलब they know nothing about how politics works. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, so what is the inequality between the members of the team? I guess I distributed the team equally, right? So from Nikita's team, there were total 8 speakers, and from Harshita's team, there were 5 speakers. Why so?
Mansi as well as Vineet are absent. I told you already. Mandeep, I guess, ma'am, I guess like whosoever are present from my team have spoke, whether it's Arshi, me, Tamil, Bhavya, Mannat. Yeah.
Mandeep.
Mandeep spoke. She spoke something.
Yeah, Mandeep is from your team, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I just missed out her name. And Almas, you have still not spoken a single word for an hour. Okay, she's not responding.
I would like to speak.
Oh, Twinkle, you are there. Yes, Twinkle, in which team you belong to? You are from Ashita's team?
No, ma'am. I'm from
my team. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
I would say there is a rising number of celebrities and politicians in India's current political scenario, often finding their way into politics after retiring from the film industry. Senior actors use their popularity to influence and garner people vote. As per me, they don't have necessary expertise in political dealing with the political scenario of the luxurious life they going to lead due to their film career. They are actors, they don't have knowledge, and also they can make such bad posts that can put us in hard times, that that can put us into horrible state, something that cannot be recovered. As opposite team had given so many examples of politicians who have worked really hard and great politicians, but they all became great politicians when they left their film career, when they left their celebrity status, then they became actual political leader. But right now, if I will see in India, no, only except Jayalalitha, there are not any example in the industry. And I will say that actors does not care which party they contest elections from. They just get ticket and they just contest it. Like there are examples like Shatrughan Sinha, who was first BJP leader, then he then he quit BJP and joined Congress. And his wife is contesting election on SP ticket. So they don't know which ideology they are supporting. They're just from wherever they get ticket, they just fight elections, they just start campaigning for it. Or I feel that actors and politicians are not good for society, because uh, um, there is no contribution I've seen yet. They have never raised any voice, any
That point is done, Twinkle. Thank you so much. Okay, so I would like to conclude this debate over here. And as regards the result of the debates, I'll be sending the recording to the organization and they will get back to you. And coming to individual performance, I'll be discussing that in the next class, like what mistakes, what participants have made. I've made a data of that according to every participant. So that I'll be discussing in the next class and the organization will get back to you with the results. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, Almas.
I just wait for my chance because I just giving the chance to my leader and now I am
Okay.
behind.
Yeah, but I will not wait now because I got my next class and I need to log in over there, right? So Nikita, to do one thing, you can write down your point and send it to me over WhatsApp, and same applies to Almas as well, right? Almas, your team, Nikita.
Ma'am?
No, he is not from my team, ma'am.
Almas is from your team.
No, ma'am, he is not from my team.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, Almas.
Ma'am, I'm not on any team.
Huh?
Ma'am, I'm not. Yes, ma'am, I'm not on any team.
Why didn't you tell me?
Ma'am, I'm not on any team.
I posted yesterday also that you are ready for the group discussions. I hope your team is ready on the group. Then you should have told me at that time that which team I belong to. Okay, no worries, Almas. When group discussion started, then also you did not say for the whole 1 hour that which team I belong to and what is the topic. Almas? Okay, fine. Now we cannot do anything. Let's wait for the next debate to be happening as soon as possible. Okay, thank you so much all the participants for your hard work and for all your inputs. And have a great day ahead. I'll let you know with the results. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.